finally got this big ugly mess glued up, and it is super ugly and super heavy. And what I'm going to do now is try and flatten it, and I'm going to use a router flattening jig to do that. I wish you could see how much I'm rolling my eyes right now, man. Well, it was quite difficult getting exactly the shape that I wanted, but I got there in the end. I'm just going to smooth this off a bit, and then we'll get on to some flattening of my bench top. I'm so close now I can almost taste the G-code. All that's left to do is put on a thong and hope for good weather. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so this setup took a couple of hours. I used the string crossing technique to make sure that the bars are not twisted or out of plane with each other. So if the string crosses and touches in the middle, you know that they're all on the level. I think that's called the string technique. But anyway, So now I just need to get the jig on, and we'll just let her rip. Potato chip. Hey Alan, when you bringing my spindle sander back, man?
Mr. Wooden, Chakun Cha Boom Pow.
This is super crude, but it creates a bit of a burr on there and kind of sharpens it, kind of, if I'm lucky. This board is made of really poor quality plywood, and I ended up spending quite a bit of time refining it with extra hand planes and sandpaper and stuff. But eventually it got there, and it came up pretty nice. So this board is part of a Workbench build, and it's part of a series of build videos. So I will leave links to the other parts of the series down in the description below. And it would be great if you would check out those other videos. Anyway, cheers guys, and thanks for watching.